Guys, this is Shubham. Today we are going to learn how to establish a database connectivity using mysql. Okay guys, first you need an ID just like NetBean, and one more database mysql. Okay, first create a database mydb, and create a table student. ID, name, address. Integer, not null, auto increment, varchar 30, fifty, primary key, ID. Oh, sorry guys, we don't know database selected. Select the mydb, and okay, zero affected means our table has been created. You can check there is a student, and you can check the detail of a student table. Okay, okay guys, create a new project. Click on new project, java application, and finish. Okay guys, first we have to insert a ID, a name, a address of a student into the student table. Simply, first we have to enter a ID. For that we have to make a input process. Enter the name, and store name into the string variable name, and second one enter the address, and stored address into the address variable br.readline, and here make a database connection in try and catch block. First we have to load a driver. For loading driver we have to write down class.forName, com.mysql.jdbc.driver. After this we have to establish a connection. Write down connection, create a object con and driver manager dot get connection. JDBC colon mysql colon localhost colon port number 3306 and slash database name. After this username and password. Import the connection class, and now we have to prepare the statement. Con dot prepared statement. For insert we have to write down the insert query. Insert into a student name address. We don't have a inserted ID because ID is a primary key. Address values first second. For first question mark we have to set a name, ps.set a string, and for second question mark we have to set address after this ps.execute update. We stored into the integer variable because execute update return a integer value just like 0 1 2 3, and if I is greater than 0 means our data has been inserted. Then we write down the condition I is greater than 0. Congrats, data has inserted. Else something went wrong. Before execute this program we have to include a library file of MySQL. This is our application, Java application 2, and we have to include a library in libraries. Right click on the libraries, click on add library, and here is MySQL JDBC driver, add libraries. Okay, run the program. Enter the name Shubham and address Varanasi. congrats, data has inserted. Check into the database, select asterisk from student. Okay guys, data has been inserted and id auto increment, it is auto increment, so it is a 1 value of 1. Guys, one more thing, why we write class dot for name, why we write a connection class, what is the work of prepared statement, and why we write ps dot set string. First, class dot for name means we load a driver class which is exist into the mysql library. Here you can see com.mysql.jdbc, and here is driver class. So path is com.mysql.jdbc. In this package there is driver class, so we load a driver class through class dot for name. Instead of this line we can use import, just like import com.mysql.jdbc driver. Okay, you can check it. Enter the name Gaurav Kanpur. Gaurav Kanpur. Okay, so we can use import instead of class dot for name. Next one is a connection. First, it is a class, you can check from here. Sorry, it is a interface. Okay, it extend the wrapper and auto closable, and it is a driver manager. It is a class. In class there is a get connection method, so dot get connection method, it is a method in the driver manager class, and it is a URL, and it is username, and it is password. URL JDBC mysql, it is a local host, means your database on your local host, and it is a port number of your database, means 3306 is a port number of mysql database, and it is a prepared statement. Here we can use a statement only. Okay guys, let's discuss on the prepared statement or statement. We can use statement using this, like statement con dot create statement, a prepared statement. This one, and here we can write a query. Just like this. Or we can use here prepared statement. what is basic difference between prepared statement and statement? Statement means your query doesn't prepared for execution, means your query is compiled on the execution time, but in prepared statement your query is compiled before execution, means your query prepared before the execution. Okay, ps.setString, it is for your question mark, and first question mark indicate the name, second question mark indicate the address. So on first question mark, for one we set the name, for second question mark we set the address. Okay, here you can change ad sequence of table, and here is 2, here is 1, no problem. Okay, okay, next one is ps dot execute update. Execute update, it is a method which is exist into the prepared statement, and it return the integer value. Means you can see when you fire a query, just like delete from a student, where this query okay, one row affected, and whenever you create a table there is 0 row affected, 0 1, it is an integer number. So execute update return the integer number which is stored into the I, and we check here. Okay, okay guys, clear? If you have any query, then write into the comment box, we will resolve as soon as possible. Okay guys, in next tutorial we will learn about update and delete operation. Okay guys, thank you.